We have this defense placed in front of the body, allowing both offense and defense with the sword. In this setup, the hand doesn't need protection as it's not directly involved in blade-to-blade combat. A glove on the archer's strong hand used for knocking can be problematic. As you can see, this is my useful hand for drawing arrows. We've found gloves make it hard to handle and nock arrows while drawing. Touch helps locate the arrow quickly, while a gloved hand makes this very difficult. Thus, once arrows were spent, the bow likely became useless. The shooting stance isn't the Olympic style with your body facing away from the target. Instead, you face your opponent like in fencing. Plant your feet firmly as if you're a turret. Aim at your moving opponent. They won't stand still waiting for the arrow. The body position is unique, allowing you to handle the bulky glove. You can see the glove's inner side has high contrast with the string, requiring a specific stance to use it effectively. The chest plate serves as the primary defensive element. The pectoral plate here connects to the quiver set, the quiver, arrows, scabbard and sword, via 2 leather straps. These wrap around the body and are secured at the waist by a fabric band. This fabric band, seen on Monte Prama statues, ties the quiver set to the system that goes around the neck and ends on the back. Why didn't I make this band from leather? Well, there's a simple reason. From behind, you often see fringes or ties hanging down the warrior's back, sometimes reaching the calves. Since these can't dangle on a bronze statue, they're simply engraved on the legs. These details are also visible on some Monte Prama statues, particularly on the sides. Interestingly, many bronze figurines show fringes at the groin area on the front of the body. So what's their purpose? What are they? Well, they're extra laces and a belt to secure clothing and prevent it from falling. This revives an old theory that Nuragic warriors wore 2 identical garments, specifically 2 tunics. Here, shown for demonstration but likely incorrect, the archer wears 2 tunics. Note the neck detail showing a different coloured tunic underneath. However, if they were 2 tunics, the front fringes wouldn't make sense. Practically, tightening the under tunic offers no real benefit. Tying it or not makes little difference. I've tried it myself, as everything is held by this band or bandolier, which compresses the clothes anyway.